So this video is for Year 7 for our new Key Stage 3 scheme with a bit more rigour, and we're looking at the idea of mechanical advantage. Well, what is mechanical advantage, you might ask? Well, it's simple really. We're going to look at a couple of scenarios that relate to these pictures. So the first one, I've set up very simply 2 1 Newton weights. So we'll go in, and here's my weight, so we'll get them so they're even. 2 weights, simple, 1 Newton, over a pulley wheel. Okay. Now the clever part, if I pull on one of the strings, so we'll go to the side, you can clearly see using the pulley wheel I can lift up. We'll just come off our track. So we'll just go back on the track. Hold on. Oh, bit dodgy. So we'll go back on, and we can clearly see that if I lift up like this, I'm not gaining any mechanical advantage, I'm just gaining the ability that I don't have to pull in the same direction as I want the weight to pull. Now initially you saw the idea that I could use a counterweight, which is now on the floor, and the counterweight idea is it makes it much easier for me to move, but it doesn't give me the mechanical advantage I'm looking for. So we'll drop it, rubbish system. Now, if we go to the idea now where we add on diagram 2, 2 ropes, or diagram 3, 3 ropes, or diagram 4, in these scenarios, I'm actually multiplying or magnifying my effort force. So if I have 2 ropes, we'll see in this scenario here, so we've got a pulley at the top, although it's a double pulley, I'm only use 1, and we've got a movable pulley at the bottom, and we've got 3 Newton weights. So let's look at the Newton weights down here. You would expect a Newton meter would register a pull of 3. Now, I'm going to take my cord, which I've just attached here, and we'll try and get a perspective. If I pull, there's my cord, I'm lifting the weight. Now, the issue is that I'm having to pull, and you can see by how far I go out now, that string's gone a really long way, all the way across to my computer there. So long pull to make me lift the weight, but it's really easy because what I've done is I've magnified the force. Now it's very simple really. With all these systems, all you're effectively doing, if we go back to our picture here, is on this one, on picture number 2, by having 2 ropes there, each rope is pulling up with 50 newtons. So I'm still pulling my weight of 100 newtons in that picture, but I only have to pull with 50 newtons. So this would enable a weak person to pull twice as far, but lift a weight. And that is the concept of mechanical advantage.